Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we are doing 10-minute, no equipment, no repeat, lower ab focus workout. So we have 10 different exercises that we're just going to go through once. Each exercise will be 45 seconds of work followed by 15 seconds of break. So what we need today is we're just going to need a mat, but don't forget your water and your towel. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and turn that notification bell on so you know when the next videos are uploaded. So for the movements, half of them are going to be standing, half of them are going to be on the floor, and of course I will show you modifications. Okay guys, ready? Let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 10분 동안 집에서 혹은 헬스장에서 하실 수 있는 아랫배, 똥배 집중 운동, 복근 운동을 해볼 건데요. 그래서 오늘은 10가지 운동을 반복 없는 동작들입니다. 그래서 10가지 운동을 해볼 거고요. 각 운동은 45초 운동과 15초 휴식으로 이루어집니다. 오늘 필요하신 거는 매트, 그리고 드신 물과 땀 닦을 타올도 잊지 마시고요. 자, 모든 운동은 층간소음 없이 이루어집니다. 그리고 좋아요와 구독 꼭 잊지 말아주시고요. 알람 설정도 꼭 눌러주세요. 운동을 즐기셨다면, 자 여러분, 그러면 준비되셨으면 시작해보러 갈까요? Ready everyone? Let's start with the warm-up. Toe tap to the side. Reverse it. Hamstring curls. Knee lift. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hamstring curls. Knee lift. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Swing your arms like side to side. Hip openers. 3, 2, 1. Other side. 3, 2, 1. Hands on your shoulders. Rotate. Jog it out for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's go and get started. So first movement, we're going to start with a high knee pull. So if you see me from the side, we're going to start with a high knee pull. 3 times per leg. Right here. 45 seconds. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and switch. 1, 2, 3, and switch. Good. Keep going. Elbow to opposite knee. So ready? And here we go. Bring your knees up high. Take a break. Opposite toe tap. Opposite toe tap. Reach for your toes. You don't necessarily need to tap it. Ready? Here we go. rotation next, alternating. Number 4. Ready? Here we go. Forward lunge, rotate, back to center. See from the side. Right here, so keep going. Take a break. Now next one, 5, we're gonna be on our back leg raise. So we're here, 45 seconds. Here we go. Inhale, exhale. Now modify, head on the floor, bend your knees. Right here. And next one, reverse crunch. So you're going to be right here, reverse crunch. Here we go.
Song is gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow.
And cheers to
And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd.
Tiger.
Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Shoulder tap with
Don't say when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Tiger.
Girl, you should wear a
So
name
shoulder
tag.
tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Modify.
You should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself, can find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I give up, my luck. Been looking everywhere. It doesn't make sense.
Take a break.
Bring it back, 'cause
Water
I need
cake
you on the
number
dance
8.
floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't get your name over this crowd.
Now,
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
modify. Bend your knees.
You should wear a name tag. That's the only way that I get you.
Otherwise, legs are
Girl, you should
straight.
wear a name tag. It's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Get water. Great job. Shake your arms out, legs out. Shoulder roll out. 3, 2, 1. Up and over. Switch. Up, side to side. And slightly lean back. Good. Quad stretch. And shoulder rollouts. 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. One more time. And we're done for today. Thank you so much everyone for joining me today. That was our 10-minute, no repeat, no equipment, lower ab focus exercise class. Hope you enjoy the workout. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any workout recommendations or suggestions, anything you'd like me to film, please write in the comment section below. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Thanks everyone. Bye.